Good evening and welcome to the November 2019 edition of Curriculum Connection. I'm Medford's Curriculum Director, Laura Lundy. Tonight, our focus is on inspiring future scientists. Earlier this month, scientists from the UW-Madison Morgridge Institute for Research visited Medford Middle School science classrooms. 8th grade science teacher Janine Galehouse says these types of experiences help students practice real-world skills.
And today it's going to be on the scientific method. So they're going to be actually working on the very first part of the scientific method that deals with finding patterns and making a hypothesis.
Students made observations and identified patterns to show how cancer cells are different from healthy cells by viewing them through a paper microscope. Scientist Tiffany Hester hopes that this experience will inspire students to go into the sciences.
So we're here to kind of introduce what our lab does and introduce some of the students to kind of the idea of science exploration. So we have a couple of activities that are related a little bit to our research to give them some insight onto what technologies that we use and how it's used in the broader sense of discovery and letting them make discoveries in the classroom.
The visit was made even more exciting because the experiment was being videotaped as part of a Wisconsin public television broadcast. After participating in the experience, some students were asked to videotape their questions. Scientists will then be videotaped answering the students' questions, and the footage will be edited and broadcast online sometime next spring.
What is the atmosphere like in the WID, and what do they study there?
Hester says she enjoys giving rural students who don't live next to a university these types of opportunities.
Grew up in an area that was fairly far from a university. We didn't have access to a lot of resources, and so seeing opportunities where I can come into schools that may be in a similar situation and be able to tell my story and expose them to, hey, I was in a place that I didn't have scientists coming in every day.
For Curriculum Connection, I'm Laura Lundy.